This guy weighs 65 kilograms, and this is his opponent, 85 kilograms. 20-kilo difference. Logically, the smaller guy should have lost. But watch what happens. One shot, lights out. The punch wasn't even that powerful, so how? If you think knockouts only come from power, you're wrong. And I'm going to prove it to you in the next few minutes, because I'm going to show you the secret formula that professional fighters hide, the formula that combines physics and psychology. But here's the twist. If you skip the next 30 seconds, you'll miss the most important part, the part that explains how the brain actually shuts down. So put down your phone, turn off distractions, because what I'm about to show you will completely change your fighting game. Your brain floats inside your skull in cerebrospinal fluid. Now imagine a balloon inside a glass of water. If you give the glass a straight push, the balloon moves a little. But if you twist the glass violently, the balloon slams into the walls. This is exactly what happens to your brain during a knockout. But here's the biggest secret nobody tells you. Power doesn't matter. Rotation matters. A 100% power straight punch moves the brain 2 to 3 inches. A 40% power rotational strike to the jaw gives the brain a violent spin. Guess which one causes the knockout? The rotational one, every single time. That's why you've seen weak-looking hooks and high kicks causing brutal knockouts, and heavy straight punches, the opponent stays standing. The jaw works like a lever. When you hit the side of the jaw, specifically the corner of the chin, the head goes into maximum rotation, and that rotation transfers directly to the brain. But this is only half the formula. The second half is timing. Look at these two punches. Exact same power, exact same target, same fighter threw them. First punch, opponent wobbles slightly, but he's fine. Second punch, complete knockout. What was the difference? When your opponent expects your punch, even subconsciously, their nervous system sends an automatic signal. Danger incoming. Neck muscles tighten, jaw clenches. These muscles become a natural suspension system that absorbs the impact. No violent rotation, no knockout. But when the punch is unexpected, no signal, no muscle contraction, no protection. The head rotates freely. Full rotation, brain slam, lights out. This is why a weak punch from a blind spot is better than a powerful punch the opponent sees coming. Now you're probably thinking, how do I create this unexpected punch? This is where fight IQ comes in. I'm going to give you 2 psychological tricks. The human brain is a pattern recognition machine, and you can use this against your opponent. Watch this. Round 1, this fighter throws 3 body kicks. Opponent blocks them. Round 2, 4 more body kicks. Opponent gets comfortable. Round 3, 2 more body kicks. The opponent's brain now expects next attack equals body kick. Hands automatically start dropping down for defense. And then, high kick, clean, knockout. The opponent's brain reacted 0.3 seconds late, and in fighting, 0.3 seconds equals an eternity. Here's your formula. Step 1, choose a safe, repetitive attack. Jab cross 3 to 4 times, or low kick 4 to 5 times. Step 2, let your opponent get comfortable. Their defense becomes predictable. Step 3, pattern break. Throw something completely different. If you were doing jab cross, throw an uppercut. If you were doing low kicks, throw a high kick. Pattern, comfort, break. But the second trick is even more deadly. Imagine you could control your opponent's movements, make them expose their own jaw. This is possible because defensive reactions are predictable. Look at these 5 different fighters dodging across. Notice something? 4 out of 5 slip to the right. Why? Because in orthodox stance, a right slip feels natural. This is your weapon. Watch this fighter. He throws 3 crosses. Cross comes, opponent slips right. Cross comes, opponent slips right again. Cross comes, opponent slips right again. Pattern confirmed. Muscle memory is locked. Now watch. He throws a fake cross, just shoulder movement. The opponent's brain instantly reacts. Cross coming, slip right. The body automatically dips to the right side, and at that exact moment, left hook lands. The opponent's jaw was completely exposed. One shot, knockout. The opponent pressed his own off button. Here's how you apply this. Sparring round 1 to 2, observe only. When I throw a jab, what does he do? On my low kick, does he check or jump? You're building a mental database. Round 3 to 4, test the pattern. Repeat the same attack 2 to 3 times. Round 5, exploit. Fake the move, he reacts, you counter. This is a chess game. You're thinking 3 moves ahead. Now here's the training. Do this today. Put 4 red dots on your heavy bag at jaw height. Make the dots small. Every punch only on the dots. Contact with the top 2 knuckles. First week, 80% accuracy. Second week, 90%. Third week, no misses allowed. This builds muscle memory. For sparring, stop going on autopilot. Week 1 to 2, practice pattern breaking. Choose one combo, repeat it 3 times, 4th time, do something different. Week 3 to 4, practice reaction reading. First round, just observe their habits. Second round, exploit those habits with fakes. After every session, write notes. What did I observe? What pattern did I find? Did I exploit it? This conscious practice becomes unconscious skill. Remember this knockout? Now you understand this wasn't luck. This was science, psychology, fight IQ. Listen carefully. Power is genetic, but accuracy, timing, fight IQ, these are trainable. My challenge for you, the next 30 days, every training session, accuracy drill, 10 minutes, pattern breaking and reaction reading, conscious practice. 30 days, that's it. Write in the comments, I accept the 30-day challenge, and tell me who's your next sparring partner you'll test these tricks on. If you found this valuable, subscribe. In the next video, I'll cover defense IQ, how to avoid getting knocked out yourself. Remember, the fight is won in the mind before it's won in the ring. Train smart, fight smarter. I'll see you in the next one.